family vlog. Thanks for watching my video and supporting me. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken nuggets. This is very easy to make and very tasty too. If you like this video, please click on like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please subscribe. Come with me to the kitchen. Bread, boneless chicken, salt, pepper, ginger garlic paste, egg, milk and soya sauce. First we will grind the bread. Now the bread is grinded, we will put chicken. Now I added chicken to the breadcrumbs. Add salt. Add soya sauce. Add pepper powder. Add ginger garlic paste. Now grind all together like this. Now add some oil. Knead it well. Like this. The dough is ready. Roll it in square shape. Cut it into small pieces. Like this. Now take one egg and add some milk. Mix it well. Now we'll coat the nuggets with breadcrumbs. First dip it in the egg mixture and roll it in the breadcrumbs. Now we will fry this. Cook in low flame. Now it's ready. My yummy chicken nuggets are ready. Please try this, very easy to make and very tasty too. So Amy is signing off. See you in the next video. Goodbye.